Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start right now, check that your device runs a compatible iOS, and that Game Center shows the Apple ID linked to the game. Next, secure progress by backing up to iCloud or using an in-game export. This prevents permanent loss. Once backed up, force quit the game and open settings. Make sure to disable automatic saves temporarily. This avoids immediate relinking. You're doing this to control account association and preserve data. Move deliberately, but keep a steady pace as you proceed. Now you perform the core unlink. Go to Settings, tap Game Center, and either sign out or toggle Game Center off. This severs the system-level link. Then open the game and navigate to Account or Social Settings. Look for Disconnect, Unlink, or Change Account. Choose the option to remove the linked Apple ID. If the game offers choices about local save versus cloud transfer, pick local save if you plan to reattach a different account. Otherwise, follow the transfer steps. Make sure each confirmation completes before moving on. Finish by rebooting the device and relaunching the game to confirm the link is gone. No Game Center banner, username, or automatic sync should appear. Once you verify a safe local save, you can relink a different Apple ID if needed. Do this deliberately and watch sync prompts. If the unlink fails, clear the app cache or reinstall the game and try again. If problems persist, contact the game's support with screenshots. A key troubleshooting tip: double-check iCloud backups before deleting any data to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.